Hey guys, today we are going to talk about the unhappy path of billing. And this feature is about credit notes and refunds. So you have been invoicing successfully your customers, and these invoices have been paid through a payment provider directly connected to Lago, like Stripe Payments, for example. But somehow, one of these invoices here needs to be refunded. Your customer needs to be refunded. And the only way to do that is by issuing a credit note. So you can do it through the API or through the user interface. So let's select this invoice, for example. You can click on credit notes and you can issue a credit note. The first thing you have to do is to define a reason for this refund. So let's say, for example, there is a duplicate charge. And here you can see the charge that has been invoiced. I can say, for example, that I want to refund this charge fully or to partially refund this charge. If this invoice has been paid successfully, you have two options. The first one is to credit directly on the customer wallet. The other option is to refund your customer directly on the payment method he's used for this payment. So let's say, for example, I want to refund my customer. I can decide to refund, for example, $15 here, and I will issue a credit note. As Lago is directly connected to Stripe, you will see that this invoice has been partially refunded. So I'm going to refresh that, and there you go. Lago sent directly the refund to the payment provider and issued a credit note. And this credit note is the partial refund here of this invoice that needs to be refunded to your customer. So this is how you deal with unhappy path of billing by refunding your customers.